Hi everyone, I'm here to talk about what ABA is. ABA stands for Applied Behavioral Analysis. This is where somebody who studies and analyzes behavior and then finds replacement behaviors to replace the function of that behavior by the use of operant conditioning. And now just to dive in, what behaviors do we watch or analyze, and what is the function of behavior? What does that mean? Well, behaviors that we watch and analyze are behaviors that hinder a person's learning ability, ability to socialize, things like that. So let's take a student in a classroom. A student was given a worksheet. Instead of completing the worksheet, the student picks up their pencil, breaks it, and then throws the little pieces across the room. We would watch that over a period of weeks, possibly add in some conditions to see what might be driving that person to do that behavior. That what is driving the person is going to be the function of that behavior. The function is the most important thing to discuss and figure out, because if you're not finding the function of behavior, you cannot successfully change that behavior. So you find the function, you take that information, and then find replacement behaviors to help that person. So again, we go look at that student with the task and taking the pencils, breaking them, throwing across the room. The function could be escape because they do not understand the task. Well, one way to help replace that behavior is before the student throws the pencils, maybe they need to ask for help. It could serve many different purposes. Why is ABA therapy so important? Well, it teaches people how to be successful in society. ABA has many different resources. So it could be used for children with autism. It could be used for husbands to get them to actually do the dishes. It could be used with kids with behavior problems. ABA can be used in a wide variety of different aspects. Myself, I am studying to be a BCBA, and I use it quite a lot on my husband. The other day I used it when I wasn't home. I told him that if he did the dishes and he took care of the dogs, then he got to play his video game, which he really, really wanted to play, for a really long time, where when I came home, I would not be interrupting him. So it has a lot of uses, and ABA is really helpful to people to navigate our society as it stands today. Thank you for watching my section on what ABA is.